Hello friends and dear subscribers, I hope you are all doing great. In this video, we're going to draw and color Tweety Bird together. Please watch until the end and don't forget to support me and my channel. I'm looking forward to your likes and comments. We'll dive into the colorful world of Tweety Bird, the adorable yellow canary known for his sweet personality and playful antics. Drawing Tweety is not only fun but also a fantastic way to unleash your creativity. We'll start with simple shapes to outline his charming features and then add vibrant colors to bring him to life. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced artist, this step-by-step guide will help you capture Tweety's playful spirit. So grab your pencils and colors, and let's create a masterpiece together. I can't wait to see your versions in the comments.